Hello guys, today I'm very excited to show you this product I have here. It is an Ingenuity manufacturer. Okay, it's basically like well, I'm going to open it to show you. It says that it's a Swivel room face and eye wash. Okay, it's like this, the product, and I like it because it is a 360 rotation, the product. So I think it's perfect, and like I already mentioned you can maybe use it to wash your face or your hands. It's like an adapter. Okay, so you put it like this to the hand washer, and then this one you can be moving it up, down, maybe like more down to wash your hands. Okay, so I think this product, it will be perfect because really I hate when I need to wash my teeth and then put like the toothpaste down the water. So I think this one, maybe it could be like this, put the toothbrush here, or maybe if I want like to wash my mouth, and for example like to put some water in the mouth, I don't need to be like this down the other place. So maybe this one, it will be perfect. Okay, so well, the product, when you open it, it comes this one. It comes also the installation instruction, that it's this one, and here it comes like the parts it came. Okay, here it's also another box. Okay, these ones are like a filter. Okay, here in the back part it says remove the lid with the wrench on coin, replace the PP filter element, that it's this one. Okay, and then well, it comes this product that I don't know which one it is, but I'm seeing the instruction manual, and then it comes here all the pieces you need. Okay, I think this product, it's for like to take off. Well, here in the instruction it says that you need to wrench remove the old spot with this one. Okay, then remove the original internal gasket, then put the number 1 gasket that I'm going to be showing you. The number 1, it's this one. Okay, then you need to put the number 1, then turn it clockwise, this part, and then it says that from this part you need to remove the lid with the wrench or coin, replace the PP filter element, then rotate clockwise. Okay, that one, it's for the filter element. Then it says that you can use it in the kitchen, but I think that in my kitchen I can't use it because it is like a different type where the water goes down. So I think that I'm going to use it in my room, in my bedroom. Washer angle valve faucet installation. Remove the old faucet, put into the number 3 spacer, that it's this one, the little one, that it's this one. Okay, then tighten clockwise. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to go to try to install it, and I'm going to show you. Okay, first we're going to remove this part, and then we have here the product. Okay, then we're going to find the product from one of these ones. I already put the other one here that most fits on it, and then we're going to put it here and just twist it. Okay guys, so the only place that I found it was here in my laundry. So I already have it installed, like I already told you how to put it. And well, sorry about all the dust that it's here, but this product, I think it will be perfect because when you open it, I can move it to clean every place where I want. Okay, so like you can see, and I'm going to close it. And remember that this product is a 360, so I close it because I don't want to have a lot of water everywhere. But this product, the water is purified when the faucet is flowing. And the PP cotton filter that is here, remember, medium can remove large particles such as sediment and rust. Okay, so and also it activates carbon, works with attracting impurities, so it's surface instead of simply taping them on the surface like on other materials. Okay, so like this looks the product. Okay, and another thing that I forget to mention you, it's that when you turn this, wait, let me, okay, that way, let me open it more, like that, and if you turn it another time, it will be like this. So I think that the soft bubble flow pattern is suitable for hand washing, face, and draw. And I also think that the kids will be happy to get their hands under the bubble spray. Okay, so I think it will be perfect if you have this. And remember what I told you, you can put it like this and maybe drink some water or also be moving it. Okay, I think this one is perfect.